even though Hurricane Milton touched down more than 1,000 miles away, we could feel the financial impact here.
Yes, we could. News 4 San Antonio's Taylor Wharton talked to experts about the different ways we could be paying more. Taylor?
Demand for gas is at an all-time high record. Numbers for this year, experts say Milton is the force behind that increase. The impacts felt in Texas as the average price went up 2 cents higher than this day last week.
We see a big uptick in demand over the last week, and likely that's due to Florida residents and those in the southeast purchasing gasoline ahead of the storm, and of course some trying to purchase it after the storm has made landfall.
Daniel Armbruster with AAA says the good news for drivers is that it won't last long, with prices coming down of the recent spike within weeks.
Demand goes up, supply goes down, prices are going to go up, and that's what we're seeing. And of course, it not only impacts people in Florida, but it's also impacting people in Texas and in other areas of the country as well.
Darrell Lyons, CEO of Pax Financial Group, says you may see soaring insurance rates in the next year.
The insurance companies, they end up having to go to the reinsurance companies. So the bigger reinsurance companies are responsible for ultimately raising rates, and they'll end up having to raise rates probably in the next couple years. And that will hit us, unfortunately.
In terms of the housing market, Lyons says he doesn't see an issue, but he advises people to continue to find ways to save money.
Continue to budget. This inflation thing, even though we're going to hear that it's gone, it's down to 2%, it has a lag effect, and the hurricane is going to impact that as well. And so continue, if you're on a tight budget, don't get too comfortable.
Unfortunately, Hurricane Milton hit Florida in their citrus-growing region of the state. Texas Agriculture Commissioner Sid Miller says that will not affect us, but we may be impacted in other ways.
The thing that probably will affect us short term and long term is the horticulture industry was hit pretty hard. So we may see a shortage of poinsettias when it comes to Christmas time.
Taylor Wharton, News 4, San Antonio.
Now, we're told it's also important to be aware of con artists during this time and make sure that the organizations that you are sending money to are actually helping with hurricane recovery efforts.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to get all the latest news right here.